everyone. So, Governor General Rafael Izquierdo was a Spanish official who played a big role during his time. In his official report, he described an event in a way that made it seem more serious or dramatic than it actually was. He also used this event to point finger at the native clergy, who were basically local church leaders. These clergy were actually advocating for secularization, which means they wanted the church to have less control over certain things. Izquierdo's report kind of exaggerated what happened to make it seem like the clergy were involved in something more dangerous or rebellious. His goal was probably to justify crackdowns or control over the church and the local people. So, in short, his report made the event seem bigger and used it as a way to blame the native clergy for calling for change. So, in Spanish accounts on 1872, so the events of 1872 were actually thought to be part of big planned conspiracy. The Spanish believed that a group of educated leaders like mestizos, native lawyers called abogadillos, residents of Manila and Cavite, and even some native clergy were all in on it. They thought this group were planning to secretly attack high-ranking Spanish officials and then attack the friars, who were the Catholic priests. The Spanish even said that the conspirators had a secret sign to start their plan. They believed that they saw rockets being fired from the walls of Intramuros, the old Spanish fort in Manila. It was signal for the conspiracy to begin. Basically, the Spanish thought there was a big conspiracy to overthrow them, but it was probably exaggerated or misunderstood. It shows how tense things were back then and how the Spanish saw any rebellion as a huge threat. So, on January 20, 1872, people in Sampaloc were celebrating the Feast of the Virgin Loreto, which is a big religious event. During the celebration, they set off fireworks, which was pretty normal, but supposedly those fireworks were mistaken by people in Cavite as a signal for an attack. According to the story, a group of about 200 men led by Sergeant Lamadrid thought it was the signal to start their plan. They attacked the Spanish officers right away and even managed to seize the arsenal, which is like a weapon store. When the Spanish authorities in Manila heard about this, Governor Izquierdo quickly sent a reinforcement to Cavite to stop the revolt. So basically, what started as a celebration accidentally turned into an armed attack, which was part of the bigger resistance happening at that time.